Is that your space communicator?
Working. Yeah.
Okay. And what are you wearing?
Oh, all it's thrifted. So this is the denim jacket from Budapest. It's vintage. Yeah, and this one are men's trousers, blend wool and polyester. I know, but yeah. This is a linen jacket.
It's a jacket. It's not a vest.
No, it's a jacket.
Yeah,
You know, the
okay.
jacket.
Very
and
nice. I think they call that a petticoat.
and this one is from you.
Yeah.
Your old shirts.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is also the vintage. And this is very old. I mean, maybe not too old, but it's from made from wool. And if you see, have some cracks, but
Yeah,
I
it's
don't mind.
It can be fixed.
Yeah, and my phone is fixed for 2,500 dinars.
All right. So,
Yeah,
are you happy?
I am very happy.
Excellent.
Istrian Malvasia. Nectar of the gods.
So guys, we were in one vintage second-hand event, and we don't really look to the clothes because we have already too much clothes. Too many clothes, yeah. And I'm somehow tired of buying new clothes. I never think that I will say this, but yeah. But we found some books, and you don't want to buy your book, but
Oh, I bought a book.
yeah, I know that you bought a book.
So I bought the poetic dramatization of the life of Rodrigo Diaz de Vivar, El Cid. I love that film. We should watch it again.
Film. It was a TV series, I think.
Oh yeah, but it's not finished. It's a span. But no, I was talking about the epic film from the 60s.
Ah.
For God, for Cid, for Spain. And it was, but there was a lot of other books as well that I wanted to read, and
Yeah, I bought also. You bought me one book,
yeah.
and I bought one bamboo bag.
Yeah, bamboo bag.
Bamboo bag. Yeah.
So knitted bamboo.
Yeah, I think yeah.
Yeah. So, and they tell you don't buy books, read the books you have, but I don't think that's right.
Okay, little interruption. Our friend was calling.
So anyways, yeah, they tell you don't buy books until you've read the ones you have. I don't think that's right. You should buy as many books as you want, and maybe you're gonna have an opportunity like
COVID.
yeah, like during COVID we were locked down and I got sick of playing games and I just read all of my books.
Yeah.
And that's just so you never know when something like that is going to happen again, when you're going to have a period in life where you're just going to want to read a lot, and then you're going to find yourself without books. You know, maybe God forbid you break your leg and you do nothing but read books all day.
Yeah.
So that's why every time you want to buy books, just buy books. If you can afford them, obviously. Don't go into debt to buy books. These are our Martin bands. So the tradition is you tie them to your wrist on the 1st of March, and
you wear them?
you wear them, and you then don't take them off, not even in the shower. And on the 21st of March, the first day of spring, you put them up on a tree so that the migratory birds will take them and make them into their nests.
You welcoming the spring, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are eggs. They are laid by very small magical chickens, and I love these. They make me happy. Huh? What is that?
Peanuts.
Peanut flips.
Peanut flips. Peanut.
Oh.
Topчиня.
Yeah, so I think they crush peanuts and then they reconstitute them into that. It's very good. You know? This is a Serbian company, and this is a Macedonian company making them. The same product.
But we love this better.
Yeah, no. They also have these in Germany. These types of flips. You know, it's. But people who are not German, they just don't understand this, I think. And we understand.
We call it smoky.
We call them smoky.
Call them smoky.
Hmm?
Hello guys, we are in Trnvoko now, and we are organized our vintage second-hand market.
Our third vintage second-hand market.
Yes, and Nikki stand before the door here,
Yeah, no.
inviting people to come
Come in.
to come in.
Hey, you want to buy? You want to buy?
So yeah, you look so stylish.
Thank you, thank you.
And what did you sell?
Everything is thrifted. The event just started, so we'll see what we can do all day. We'll be here all day.
Yeah, because it's prolonged weekend.
Yeah, it's a long weekend.
Yeah,
we have
long
a
weekend.
national holiday, so the city is a little empty. But our kind of people, I don't think they go for prolonged.
I don't know.
just long
You
weekends.
continue saying that, but
Maybe I'm wrong.
yeah,
Who knows?
we will see.